BJP MLAs Joy Kishan and Bishwajit remanded to judicial custody for 13 days. (2013) candidates storm MPTC Pangai, CRPC 144 promulgated at MPTC Pangai. Gaikhangam asks people not to politicize the recruitment issue. And IBSD Tagilpad and South Korea's National Institute of Biological Resources signed MOU to develop bioresource technology. Hello and welcome. You're watching Impact Primetime News. BJP MLAs K.S. Joy Kishan and T.S. Bishwajit have been remanded to judicial custody for 13 days. The MLAs were today produced in the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate at Lamphilpat after they were arrested by the police for disrupting the physical efficiency test at Manipur Police Training College, Pangai this morning. All Manipur DPC completed police constable male 2013 and BJP Manipur Pradesh stormed Manipur Police Training College at Pangai demanding cancellation of the physical efficiency test for the candidates of police constable this morning. However, the physical test continued amid firing of tear gas shells, sit-ins and various forms of protest at Manipur Police Training College, Pangai. Meanwhile, the government has imposed CRPC 144 around the training college. BJP MLAs K.S. Joy Kishan and T.S. Bishwajit, who took part in the protest, have been detained by the police. Members of All Manipur DPC completed police constable male 2013 and BJP Manipur Pradesh took out a protest rally this morning around 8:30 and stormed the northern gate of Manipur Police Training College, chanting slogans against the fresh recruitment. As the scuffles ensued between the protesters and the police personnel at the gate, the police personnel fired tear gas shells to control the mob. MLAs Joy Kishan and Bishwajit inquired who ordered the police personnel to fire tear gas on the protesters. The protesters then stormed the main gate of the training college. Police once again fired tear gas shells and mock bombs to control the situation. The protesters, including BJP Manipur Pradesh KSA's Bhavananda and several leaders, demonstrated near the gate of the training college and shouted slogans against the fresh recruitment. MLAs Joy Kishan and Bishwajit marched towards the training college to meet the officers concerned. SP Imphal East ordered for their detention. Joy Kishan and Bishwajit asked the police to arrest them. The physical efficiency test for the candidates continued amid the protest. Around 70 candidates were seen taking part in the tests. BJP Manipur President Khetrimayum Bhavananda said the party will soon wake up the state government. BJP took out a rally with written past candidates of Manipur Police Constable of 2013 from the party office till Raj Bhavan. Bhavananda along with 7 party workers were allowed to submit an 8-point memorandum to the governor after the rally was stopped by police. The team submitted the memorandum to the governor's office as Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah is now in Delhi. BJP Manipur Pradesh is organizing a public rally tomorrow in Greater Imphal.
Maruina Kugi, other recruitment is a good thing. I believe recruitment is Tauzera, Lady Lekuna Mayam to Tigalaga, Sogi Mayamdu, Amuhalalo, I believe Yaragadi recruitment Halalo. When a Sibo, the recruitment thing Dravanina, a weak reaction plant of Yeda Mukanaga, Mutokina Makasaki. Tum the me of the Buzian Wabina, Karumakarati, action Karaditogini. Adam Satas no more, Adam Satas and Tomo is it, Tom Tokosakan.
BJP School Mandal held a sit-in against the fresh recruitment of the candidates of police constable. The protest was held at Moirangkhum Bazaar. Protesters displayed placards denouncing the decision of the Manipur government. BJP Thangwaiban Mandal also held sit-in against the fresh recruitment of police constables. BJP workers held the protest at Thangwaiban Maishnam Lekai Community Hall demanding immediate cancellation of the recruitment, which began today at Manipur Police Training College. BJP Lamlai Mandal too staged protest against the cancellation of the recruitment of police constables and holding of fresh physical efficiency test at Manipur Police Training College, Pangai. The protest was held at Yorbung Thambal Lairembi Maira Shang. Convener of BJP Manipur Pradesh RTI Cell Moirang Mongjam Poire Hanba, members of Mandal took part in the demonstration. BJP Hairok Mandal staged sit-in against the cancellation of the recruitment of police constables at Hairok Path 3, Ningthauzam Laikai. The protesters resolved to demand CBI probe into the cancellation of the recruitment, punishment of the members of the selection board and ministers. BJP Nauria Mandal also joined the widespread protest by demonstrating at Kwakathil Tidim ground. Placards that read, "We condemn the Manipur government's unethical practice and stop recruitment process immediately," were displayed during the protest. Meanwhile, Band supporters burnt tires and blocked roads at Hatha Golapati during the 24-hour Imphal East Band. Shops remained closed in support of the Band. The residents of Thangwaiban created quite a stir by blocking the roads and shutting down the shops over the detention of MLAs K.S. Joy Kishan and T.H. Bishwajit by police for disrupting the physical efficiency test for candidates of police constable at Manipur Police Training College, Pangai. They took to the roads in the afternoon around 4:30 when the news of the detention broke out. The people blocked the road from Khuyathong Pukrimapal to Thangwaiban DM College and also closed all shops in Nagamapal area. They also demonstrated on the road by halting traffic. Police personnel maintained vigil to avoid any untoward incident. Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam has appealed to all not to politicize the issue of scrapping the recruitment of police constables. Speaking to media persons on the sidelines of the 9th Foundation Day of AMM-GSU, Gaikhangam said the recruitment of the police constables has been cancelled due to some irregularities in the recruitment process.
Politicalize of the political party, maybe I had the comfortable pay of Abran, the decision by physical limitation, Sataram Maninkal, Absurd Saturday and call. A certain the Tari, Lan Hydropataba, a certain number to the Mado, the life of the Najariba. I know once a people of the Nina, politicalized of the Gulu, the other sort of Pidi Raga, Nancy, Simangan never holiday to do, Nancy, I am Yau, sort of people.
Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam today urged the students to work hard and discover their hidden talents. Speaking at the 19th Foundation Day of All Manipur Muslim Girls Students Union, Gaikhangam stated that due to mismatch of word and action, it has been difficult to rectify all wrongdoing in the society. The 19th Foundation Day of All Manipur Muslim Girls Students Union AMM-GSU was held today at Lamyamra Shanglen Palace Compound. All Manipur Muslim Girls Students Union was set up on the motto of love, unity and communal harmony. AMM-GSU aims at safeguarding the rights of girl students and empowering women.
We have to discover it. Not in vain, but to discover. Mado, ako the lady ko ase ako mo to product na naman ni ako life ay sutami ba ako akang ay mi nangyari ko na makse ningon digi wayo mo daba natraga sarga digi patan digi puro mo daba nagte ako ako the laser. It is something just like a hidden treasure.
The Foundation Day celebration was attended by students and leaders of various communities. In his speech, Wabagai MLA Fazur Rahim stressed the need to rectify the education system in the state. He also said students who are studying up to class 12 should not be involved in state issues like band and blockade. Addressing the gathering, Commerce and Industries Minister Govindas Konthaujam said the state government is providing schemes and other development program equally in the hills and in the valley. He said after a gap of 6 years, the Ministry of Textiles has also sanctioned Rs 139 crore for sericulture project.
Already 30 crore है कोई तो PB रख रहे out of 139 crore and another 49 crore अमगा 5 hill districts ता पाइखट नबगी अमगा सु PB रहे अदना round about 200 crore से Ministry of Textile ना Manipur सरकार दा था दबी रही Honorable Chief Minister अमसुंग Honorable Chief Minister की लिचिंग मखादा हाई रिबा implement तौर program सिंगसी निथि जना माय पांग पाइखट पर यारना बा.
Government has finalized a cabinet memo on the usage of handloom products in government schools and government offices. Only the cabinet decision is awaited. Commerce and Industries Minister Govindas Konthaujam disclosed this on the sidelines of the inauguration of Imphal Showroom's rural showroom. Minister Govindas said this government is studying the demand and supply ratio of handloom products. He said the state has many skilled people and if their skill are utilized, then outsiders cannot compete with their skill. Joint Committee on Inner-Line Permit System JCILPS has drafted a new bill called the Regulation of Non-Manipur People's Bill 2016. The Joint Committee has submitted the bill to the Chief Minister, requesting him to introduce it in the upcoming session of the Assembly. Now it's time for a short break. We'll be back soon. Keep watching Impact News.
LM Dental Care. On the occasion of 3rd anniversary celebration, free dental checkup on 28 August 2016 from 8 am to 4 pm. Up to 30% off on treatment charges from 28 August to 30 September. LM Dental Care, Uripo Canteen Corner, first floor, above Axis Bank ATM booth, opposite Iboton Sana School.
Lengson Birau, Tangwaban JM College Road to Laiba, Eastern Suzuki da. Fangbiragani Suzuki ki gari macha sing makhal suna. Mafam sida Suzuki da train tarba mechanic sing na ningthi na service piriba servicing center ki kudong chaba amasung spare parts sing MRP rate ta fangbigani. Loinana irai laina loan loba yabagi kudong chaba supizari. Ngasi mag Lengson Birau, Eastern Suzuki, Tangwaban JM College Road, Imphal, Manipur.
Unified Academy, Kwakathil Bazaar, Airport Road.
I'm Sophia Warapon from Wangoy. My state rank is 7th in 2016. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the teachers of the Unified Academy.
I'm Mamun Roma. I got 10th position. For this, I would like to thank all the teachers of Unified Academy.
I'm Sungkham Premkumar Singh. I stood 27th position in this 2016. I would like to give my full credit to this Unified Academy for their support.
Welcome back. JSC against the controversial death of a student of Residential Kid Care School, Langolgam Village, Zone 2, has accused that the boy was brought dead by the school authorities. The JSC demand that the authorities concerned to provide post-mortem report within 3 days. It also demanded strict action against the principal and warden of the school and to shut down the school permanently. Speaking at a press meet at Manipur Press Club, JSC's convener R.K. Tombishna said the boy was compelled to work as a helper in the school boarding as his parents failed to pay school fees. Tombishna further stated that the boy's mother and aunts had visited the school on August 12 and found the boy in bad shape. When they approached the authorities to allow them to take the boy home for treatment, they were asked to clear his fees first before they could take the boy. On the evening of August 26, the warden and some students of the school brought the boy home in an unconscious state.
Hariba angang si puthorokpa matamda magi leiramiba saifam mayang kangiba phibam muti chadaba mawong du ubada ibungon nang chak sabra haidana mani sin hangba matamda warden du kibadagi warden du imamangda sayena non tharaga khumme khumaba matungda mamnegi makhut si pairaga nene paisa chingamo mogi paisa thidoga gi punsiang to kanbiyo haidana makhut si pairaga thak thak niktana makhuto
ngarang si postmortem tawjarode post mortem ge report si within 3 days ki manung da phanghan ba Maral Library School si founder warden se miam khangna miam mamang da ain ge ba matik jaba dan di phanghan ba school si matam supagi oina shut down to gi thingjan ba ekona hariba demand sing si phangmang amdragadi ekoi akanba khongjang jangchen na wadu moda ekoi sem saba loijir.
Transporters and Drivers Council TDC has termed the snatching of arms by some armed persons from the escort team led by Deputy Commandant of 2nd Manipur Rifles M. Dange on Imphal Jirbam Road as unfortunate and appealed for return of the arms on humanitarian ground. TDC President H. Ranjit told the media persons at TDC office that as drivers and transporters face danger on Imphal Dimapur National Highway, they chose the Imphal Jirbam Road to transport the food and other essential items for the people. He said the incident has caused panic among the transporters and drivers. He appealed to the state government to take appropriate measures to avoid such incidents in future.
Transporter singidi yamna koi nungaite aduna masi kanana no karam organization no madu minungsi yengbiraga amadi hariba driver singi damakta transporter singi damakta amadi Manipur praja gi damakta sumba service tawjariba singsigi yengbirаканда hariba khulai singji jo thubada handokbiu hariba lutsida matung tarakpada sumba khudong thiba yaba akhi tujung pokpa yaba postaki amta tawbiganu Manipur government su lutsida chatpada siguma thabaki thoktanaba amadi gari singda transporter singda awaba dong thiba nungaitaba pochi thabaki thoktanaba makhatana akanba section thorang lokhatpiu.
India and South Korea today signed a memorandum of understanding to help each other in the development of bioresource technology. The memorandum of understanding was signed today between Director of Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development IBSD Takilpat Professor Dinabandhu Shahu and President of Nakdongang National Institute of Biological Resources NNIBR South Korea Dr. Young Hee An at a function held at IBSD Takilpat. Dr. Dinabandhu Shahu said the MOU will not only help in the development of research and technology between India and South Korea, but also in the development of bioresources in Manipur. NNIBR Principal Researcher Dr. Namil Chung told reporters that under the MOU, as a first step, NNIBR will organize a symposium on bioresources in October in South Korea, and the scholars of IBSD have been invited. NNIBR Director Dr. Wook J. Lee, Senior Researcher Dr. Mi Wa Lee, HT Park and IBSD research scholars and officials of IBSD attended the event. A training program for journalists on human trafficking and child rights issues was held today at Manipur Press Club. The one-day program was organized jointly by FXB, India Suraksha Manipur Branch and Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights MCPCR. Program Officer of FXB, India Suraksha noticed Khoinaijam Dinesh said even though there is a large number of cases of human trafficking and child sexual abuse, people do not talk about them openly as they are afraid of the social stigma. Stressing the role of media, he said it is necessary to sensitize the media fraternity about the Juvenile Justice Act, POCSO Act and ethics. The training was held under Anti-Child Trafficking Project Mukti. Coordinating body of trade union Manipur will support the nationwide trade union strike on September 2. 12 central trade unions have called band pushing their 12-point demand since September last year, including raising minimum wage of Rs 18,000 per month in the unorganized sector and proper implementation of labor law. The unions are also opposed to the recent easing of rules by the government for foreign investment, particularly in sectors like pharmaceutical and defense. 3 demands were added for Manipur, including deployment of highway force along national highways, proper implementation of National Food Security Act, and revocation of cancellation of DPC of 2013 constable candidates. A public rally was taken out till Imphal West DC office demanding distribution of ration cards under the National Food Security Act. The rally, jointly organized by CPI Imphal City Council and All Manipur Nopi Marup Imphal West unit, was taken out from Takyal Community Hall till Imphal West DC office. Rallyists shouted slogans and displayed placards like "Distribute rice for 4 months," "Ministers and MLAs do not interfere in distribution of rice," "Follow rules and regulations in implementation of NFSA." The CPI submitted a memorandum to the Imphal West DC office regarding the matter. Mafau Kuki Village Authority, Mafau Grouping Center Women's Welfare Association and Mafau Youth Organization held a sit-in at Mafau Dam Bazaar against the bomb blast on August 10 at Mafau Dam Bazaar. The protesters appealed all not to repeat such act in future and demand that authorities to provide additional security at the area. The 13th National Youth Parliament Competition 2016 group level was held today at the Assembly Hall, College of Agriculture, Kau Iroisemba. The competition was organized by Central Agricultural University under the initiative of Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. 55 students participated in the competition. Addressing the gathering, Lok Sabha MP Dr. T.H. Maina said such competition provides a good platform for students who want to become a parliamentarian in future. He also said if citizens are empowered, democracy will continue forever.
They put up 0 hour first. Now they are having 0 hour from 11 to 12. Then at the end of 12 o'clock, they start question hour. Because so that for the convenience of members, they can explain their views. These are the changes. So the whole system is now evolving. Our system is evolving. We are now very much developing the system, and our system is very much respected. So as I said earlier, once our citizens are empowered properly, then perhaps democracy will continue. I think I will not take much time. If my time has come, 3:15, you have to start.
Women vendors of 4 Quaramban Kaithel will cease work for a day and observe relay hunger strike on September 1 in support of the demand for inclusion of Maitai in the scheduled tribe list. 5 loops of Quaramban in a joint press release have appealed to all vendors not to sell vegetables or other food products on the day. A car was damaged in a mishap at Rims Lamphel. The incident occurred around 1 in the afternoon today when a wooden frame of the under construction OPD building of the hospital fell down on a car. No one was injured in the mishap. Freedom from open defecation, being launched all over the country to mark the 70th year of India's independence, was launched in Thoubal district yesterday. As part of the weekly observance, school students took out a rally from Basu Ground, Khangabok till PHED Thoubal division to raise awareness about freedom from open defecation. Screening of films will be resumed at Usha Cinema next month. One of the oldest cinema halls in Manipur, Usha Cinema has been upgraded with modern facilities including Dolby sound system and professional projector. Addressing media persons, Chairman of Film Forum Manipur, Laimayom Surajikanta, said the Usha Cinema was closed for a long time due to unrest in the state. He gave full credit to Chief Minister Ukram Ibobi and Usha Cinema proprietor Thongram Haridas for making it possible for reopening of the hall and appreciated their enthusiasm and dedication.
Manipur Honorable Chief Minister Shri Ukram Ibobi na chief guest oina lakbiraga mana cinema hall si open tawini. Open tawada amuk thawayam ya biri sisu. Honorable Chief Minister sisu Manipur film ji kamaina develop tawni, kamaina promote tawada ke si film institute ana iba, film city sabagi plan tawna iba, film policy hoji draft tawroidana film forum sinadana hoji drafting tawba. Sumaina thawayam ringi maraksida cinema hall ji hangdore
A 3-day theatre workshop for adult on acting for creativity is on at Konung Mamang Rajbari. The workshop is jointly organized by National School of Drama and Theatre in Education Wing, Tripura. About 30 participants are taking part in the workshop. Hiram Robindro, Akoijam Langamba, Mashnam Bhagirath and Hidangmayom Darabari from Theatre in Education Wing, Tripura are giving training to the participants. The workshop will also be held in Bishnupur, Thobald and Palel. The 10-day Powerful Actor Transformation Theatre Workshop organized by Star Repertory and Fulling Cultural Organization concluded today at Majorkul Community Hall. The workshop, which is the first of its kind for the Jalliangrong tribe, began on the 21st of this month. It aimed at promoting the Jalliangrong artists. Now in sports, Wafa Wangoi and SCK Kodompokpi beat their rivals in league matches of the 23rd L Sangita Devi Memorial First Division Football League tournament organized by Imphal West District Football Association under the aegis of All Manipur Football Association. Wafa Wangoi beat Kuki Sporting Club Lambulen 4-1 in the first leg, while SCK Kodompokpi beat Yai School Athletic Club 1-0 in the second leg. Players from 9 states are taking part in the first Manipur National Martial Arts and Festival. In the boys 25 to 30 kg Chaibi event, K Asterix from Manipur, Tamil Nadu's K Lanchenba and TH Luangba bagged the first, second and third position respectively. In the girls 25 to 30 kg Chaibi event, CH Ngantoi from Meghalaya, Manipur's T Monteshwari and N Surbala bagged first, second and third position respectively. In the boys 35 to 40 kg Chaibi event, S Buddhichandra from Manipur, Assam's KH Mohan and Manipur's Tripura's S Naurel stood first, second and third position respectively. Their championship is organized by Martial Arts Council of Manipur at Kumalam Park. Before we end, the headlines once again. BJP MLAs Joy Kishan and Biswajit remanded to judicial custody for 13 days. The 2013 candidates storm MPTC Pangai, CRPC 144 promulgated at MPTC Pangai. Gaikangam asked people not to politicize the recruitment issue. And IBSD Tagilpat and South Korea's National Institute of Biological Resources signed MOU to develop bioresources technology.